Hey everybody, how's it going? So I got a quick movie haul and a barbecue item, so please stick around, check out the item, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, just a quick little movie haul and a barbecue item. So I picked up 4K Ultra High Def for Zombieland Double Tap. And it came with the digital, the 4K Ultra, and the Blu-ray. I picked up the Matt Damon's The Martian Extended Edition. It includes the theatrical version and unrated extended cut. 4K Ultra, Blu-ray, and digital. My wife wanted to see this movie, A Quiet Place. I haven't unwrapped this one because I need to take it back because it says plus bonus digital movie Annihilation on Vudu. Available with purchase. See receipt for code. Well, bought like 15 something movies. A lot of them were like DVDs for, my mom's boyfriend. And I guess they can only put the written code. Only one written code per receipt for whatever reason. Here, I'll show you guys real quick. So this right here says activation code on the receipt. Well, this one says Mouse Hunt, which is for a bunch of movies. And this one says Parker. So for some reason, you didn't get the written out code of Annihilation, which I'm not really sure what it is, but I figured I'd just drive tomorrow when they're open and, say, hey, I didn't get this specific code. And then I picked up this 10-piece grill set. Camera right there. I already opened it, which is why this is all ripped up. It's like 14 bucks for this set. This is what it comes with. So it comes with 4 skewers. Comes with a brush. Basting brush, comes with a spatula, tongs, a cleaning brush, and fork. So I didn't think it was a bad set. There was another one that was more expensive. I figured this might be capable of holding some of my other ones as well. I don't know, but I figured it might be big enough to be able to hold the other set that I have with the wooden handles. But those need to be cleaned up, and it's got Velcro. And this is the nice thing, yeah. This is the nice style that you put the camera down. Close. And you slide out and it locks it, so that's pretty nice. It's just a cheap little set. Until I could find at Walmart the expensive ones that I was looking at, they didn't have them. Which was like the black stone set. Is the set I was looking for. But this should do for now. And it's a nice little, looks like canvas bag. But this is everything that I picked up. Everything else was food items and fruit. Hurricane the movie. Expendables the movie. Sniper. Skyscraper. Fast Pack. San Andreas. And Rango. So a lot of movies. These are the only ones that I wanted. My wife wanted this one. The other ones were for my mom's boyfriend. And I'm gonna go enjoy the rest of my birthday. It's June 8th. Appreciate you guys stopping by. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.